And welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm Sarah Hatch. I'm an artist and a mom of 5 kids. And today we are drawing Bluey from the show Bluey. And we're drawing all the characters in the family. So if you want, you can try to draw them smaller and draw them all together dancing on a page, or draw them all separate on a piece of paper like we're doing. All right, let's get started. We are gonna start with Bluey's eye. So let's draw the eye right here. So you've got an oval with another oval inside. And then the nose comes out right here, out the middle. So the nose comes right out the middle. And then we've got this triangular shape at the end there with a thin highlight right there. All right, so then now we're gonna draw that stripe that Bluey has. So one line goes there, and we're just gonna stop for there for right now. And one line goes right next to it. Good, and we'll finish that line in just a minute. Now we're gonna draw the eye that goes behind the nose. So we got that circle. And then, oh, I meant like half oval. And then the other oval inside of it. I'm gonna make this one just a little bigger. Okay, so now we need to draw the eyebrows. So there's one. There's a bird going crazy outside. And there's the other. All right, and then there's a line in between. And then from here, there's a triangle going up and then down. And then in between the two eyebrows, there's another triangle that goes up, and then straight down, and then connects to his nose. I mean, her nose. So now we're gonna just draw this little curve, and then from here we're gonna draw the inside triangle, and then the outside triangle. This line needs a little work, but that's okay if it's not perfect. Now we're gonna draw a little smile. And then it goes straight over. And then it curves up. Cute. And then now we can finish this blue line. So do you see right here? Can you watch this? We're gonna make an oval shape like that because it disappears behind her nose. And then her arm, she's dancing. So we've got that curved line. That line goes to there. And then it comes in like this. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, and then the thumb right there. And then a line like that. Good job. Okay, so it just ever so slightly goes diagonal up right there. And then I'm gonna connect that. Good job. All right, and then right here is the diagonal continues. Okay, and then he's got, and then she's got a spot right here. And then it goes diagonal a little more, and another spot right here. And then it curves a little bit. And then let's come over here. Go down and curve. And then connect the square. Good. All right, now we're gonna make her belly like that. Cute. Okay, so now her arm over here, she's doing the floss. Do you know what the floss is?
Yeah.
That was all the rage when you were about 2.
What does that mean?
All the rage? That means it was really popular. And then here's her thumb down and over. And then 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. And then curve this one. 1, 2. Okay. Now we're gonna do this leg. It's a long curve down. Good. And then a short little curve for her foot. Good. And then we're gonna come up here and we'll follow the curve over and then stop. Good. And then straight down. And then a little diagonal forward. And then we're going to do 1, 2, 3. And then curve them up like that. Good. And then straight across. Good. All right, and then curve this one down. It's a shorter leg, because we're going to have the feet on the same plane. And then this one goes back and then down like that. And then the foot comes forward. 1, 2, 3. And then it comes forward there. And then this is a diagonal line right there. Good. And the only thing we're missing is the tail. And it comes up behind her hand. And 1, 2, 3 bumps. And you can't quite see the line that separates this color from that. We'll just do that when we get to it. All right, we're ready to color. We started drawing and realized we forgot to show one thing. I know I was forgetting something. There's right here here, you can use a Sharpie. That's where the dark blue is versus the light blue. So you'll have like the dark blue in these ears, and then there's a lighter blue here, and then a very light blue there. So, all right, back to coloring.
I just wanted to give you guys a little tip that if you're using markers, instead of having 3 different colors of blue like I did, it's really hard to find markers that have that many different shades of blue, especially a light blue light enough. So I would leave that lightest blue white instead, just don't color it in. And then you can use your darkest blue for the ears and spots, and then your normal tone blue for the rest, and then just leave those lightest blues that almost look white, just leave them white. But if you're using colored pencil, you can just color lighter, and colored pencil would help you get the blues right a little easier. But go ahead and pause it here to use this as reference and just have fun coloring.
Thank you so much for drawing with us. We hope you had fun drawing Bluey, and I would love to see how your Bluey turns out. Tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio on Instagram, and then I'll be able to see it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos, and we'll see you later.
Bye.